Okay, this little quick lesson, it's a review of definite and indefinite articles. This information is all found on page 4 in your textbook if you have it. And we'll just get right into it. All right. So in Spanish, we usually will have one of these articles in front of a noun, whereas in English, we don't always use them before a noun. So that's a little bit where English and Spanish differ. All right, so let's first go over the definite articles. All right, the definite articles are going to talk about something specific. All right, so in the case of, you can look at the examples here, el chico. All right, el chico, for the boy. All right, we're talking about a specific boy, the boy. Or los chicos, the boys. All right, again, you'll notice both the singular and the plural forms are the same in English. Both are the. All right, same thing with the feminine. We have la and las. La chica, the girl, and las chicas, the girls. Okay. Now we get to indefinite articles. All right, indefinite articles talk about something not specific. Okay, it could just be, any old, whatever it is you're talking about. So in this case, if we say un chico, we're just saying a boy. Well, what boy are we talking about? Is it, one in the classroom? Is it one at home on Zoom? Is it a boy not even in the school? I don't know, or we don't know. Okay, so that is where we're getting that non-specific connotation there. In English, we would have, here we go. We would have the English meaning would be a for a boy, for un. We could also say an, all right, for both. Obviously, we're not going to use it with boy and girl, but if we said, an apple, una manzana, okay, we would have an. So un and una in English would mean a or an. Unos and unas in English would be some. So if you say unos chicos, you're talking about some boys. Nobody specific. Unas chicas, some girls. Okay. So with all of that in mind, let's take a look at this activity. It's actividad uno. And we're going to just be using the definite articles. All right, el, la, los, and las. So I'd like for you to complete the sentences here with those articles. Pause this video, fill them in, and then double check your answers. All right, for número uno, blank chicos son los jugadores de fútbol americano. We should have los chicos. For número dos, blank amigo de Sergio se llama Carlos. We should have el amigo. All right, both of these are masculine word. We have chicos, amigo. Okay. Número tres, blank jugadoras de basquetbol son atléticas. We should have las. All right, las jugadoras. Cuatro, blank director de la escuela es serio. El director. Blank chica de Ecuador se llama Carmen. la chica. And blank señorita Romero es maestra de español, la señorita. All right, so now that we've reviewed that and practiced a little bit, you can go on to your tarea, which you can find on Canvas in the either the files or the assignments or modules. You're looking for hoja 3. Hoja means worksheet, so you're looking for worksheet 3. And that's going to be a little bit of matching here, some fill in the blanks, completing the sentences with either your indefinite or your definite articles. And I encourage you, as you go along, if you come across a word or words that you are unfamiliar with, to look them up on wordreference.com or in a Spanish dictionary and write it down. So like if you see this, baseball, and maybe you don't know what baseball means, you look it up and you'd see that it would be baseball. So I would come up here and above it, write baseball, and work on expanding my vocab in Spanish. So that is something else you're welcome to do throughout the year. I highly encourage it. It's one way that you can learn a whole bunch of words that maybe we're not going to have on a vocab list, but that, it comes across. So if you have any questions for me, feel free to send me a message. Feel free to ask, and I will be glad to answer any questions you have. Until next time, adios.